How to change language on Instagram. 1. Open Instagram. 2. Open your Instagram profile. 3. Select the 3 lines as in the video. 4. Scroll down and select the icon as shown in the video. 5. Select the first word as in the video. 6. Choose a language that you understand. It's finished. If successful, press the like and subscribe buttons.